I'm New Age Serve Alarm, and I am here with Arga, all the way from the UK. Meow. And he brought over some British fire alarms, and we're just kind of playing with them on the workbench here. So we have a KAC call point right here, and a Roshni sounder, and this Eclipse panel. It's a 4-zone panel, and it's essentially the equivalent to the MS4 in the UK, but way better with its functionality and features.
And quality.
Yeah, and quality. So you want to go ahead and demonstrate it?
Yep.
So here it is, an alarm. There we go. That's just basic alarm right there, but what's really neat about this is that if we look inside the panel, you can see there's only one pair of wires coming out. It's connected to the zone. If you follow that wire, it goes to the call point, and then it goes to the sounder, because British panels do something called two-wire, where twin wire, yes, where it basically reverses the polarity of the zone to make the sounder sound. This is a trick that is done on some US security systems for, like, for example, system sensor sounder-based smoke detectors do sound if you reverse, but this is a better implementation of it that's used to save wiring on British systems and probably other European countries too, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure almost all of Europe does the system as well.
Right. But yeah, so it's on the simple end of British alarm panels, but it is pretty neat. So yeah, be more about this in the future, but just a quick little, we're just kind of having some fun here. But yep, and I can't do this while holding the phone. There you go.
So,
Yeah. Let me do resound. Yeah. And resetting. And mute. So, yeah, a couple of things, of course. Of course, they call them sounders, and of course we call them horns. They call them sounders, and they have disable. They call them disable and disablement, which is kind of a neat sounding word in my opinion. And just a bunch of little things, like a bunch of little terms are different, but it's otherwise the same. One other cool thing about these two is that the call points have a resistor inside, and this allows the panel to tell apart if it's a call point or a smoke detector, but also prevents it from a dead short killing the whole system, so that if you activate the call point, it doesn't dead short the circuit, which is critical if you're using twin wire with sounders. So another neat little thing different from the US, but I'll show more videos about this. I have some other British devices I can show in the future, so thanks and have a great day. Meow.